Hey guys, today we're opening up the RaboSky magnetic dartboard. All right, let's see what they got in here. Okay. So, comes with 4 different colored darts, blue, green, yellow, and red. 3 of each kind, so you have a total of 12 darts. So that's nice. You can play 4-person games with it, or the 2-player ones. Or just have extra darts for practicing. Okay, so the board's kind of cool. It's like a fabric. It's like a heavier fabric, and it's set up on like a scroll, so you can roll it up like this to store it, which is nice. But then it unrolls very easily. And then there's just a cord on the top here that you can hang it up on the wall. And then it's not like other magnetic boards I've seen are like a thick plastic or something. This is like just a thin, it literally feels like fabric. So I'm really interested to see how well these darts stick to this. And then there's 2 sides. So there's your traditional side, kind of has the cork look to it there. And then the rainbow side, which is more of like a target dartboard type of thing. So you can play the different games. And then they send along these directions, which explain different games and the point systems and all that. So that's nice if you don't know how to play already. So yeah, one big thing we want to check out here though is how well these darts are going to stick to the board. Because if they're dropping off, that's obviously not going to be much fun. So let's hang this thing up, throw a couple darts. Oh yeah, my wife is going to love this. We're going to take a nice decoration down here. Hang up a dartboard. All right, let's open up these packs. Come in resealable bags. If you want to keep them stored in there, that's an option. You can already tell these magnets are very strong, which is good. But I'll warn you, I'm not the best dart thrower, but see what I can do here. All right, there was one. All right, so I just threw 6 darts. 4 out of the 6 held, and the 2 that fell, I don't think they're quite a real nice, like, straight throw. But yeah, the ones that did hold, it also doesn't help that this isn't sitting flat against the wall. So let's flip it this way. Once it uncurls, I think it'll be a little nicer. But the ones that hit and held, they held where they are. They didn't slide at all. All right, got a bullseye too. So anyhow, yeah, you can see all 6 darts held onto the board there. But yeah, great gift idea for the kids, or if you want something to set up in your house somewhere, you don't have to worry about the holes in the wall from the real style darts. This is definitely a great alternative and easy to put up and down. So cool product, check it out.